explore the heart of your children. Kung meron po time na makapagkwentuhan po tayo, laliman po natin yung ating mga conversations. No? I have this favorite book right now, yung Giant Slayers by Leif Hetland. So, it's actually for adults, knowing your destiny. But I found it very helpful as a guide in knowing the heart of our children. Meron po siyang 3 points na ibinigay kung paano po natin more or less mag-determine kung nasaan po yung heart ng ating mga anak. Of course, knowing God's destiny for our lives can be a lifelong process. Pero mas maganda po, diba, na ma-explore na natin ito as early as we can. So yung first point ni author, what we love reveals the gifts God placed within us. So ano po ba, when the kids talk to you, ano po ba yung talagang excited po silang pag-usapan? Diba? Or saan po sila mahilig, kung ano po yung interest nila. No? So, they love sports, they love arts, mahilig po ba sila sa pets? So, doon po natin nakikita kung ano po yung mga talents, mga skills that God has placed in them, and we can cultivate that, no? Or we can build on that in raising up our children. So, number 2, what we eat reveals what we are called to it. Saan pa minsan gigil na gigil yung mga anak? Meron ba siyang time na umuwi siya galing sa school tapos galit na galit siya kasi binabully yung classmate niya? So, yun yung heart ng anak niya. They want to do something about it. That desire to correct something. Isa po yung facet ng heart nila kung saan po sila mas inclined to pray about kasi doon po nagre-reside yung passion nila. And number 3, what we are called to heal the things that breaks our heart. Saan po ba sila yung parang naaantig yung puso? Minsan po ba, pag bumabiyahe kayo, may nakita silang children, sa daan, do they parang masyado silang affected? Or kung meron po may sakit na bata, or may classmate po silang may sakit, my son, si Mateo po, kung meron po may mga absent dati sa school, he goes to the advisor and then he asks the advisor to pray with him, for the sick kids or the sick classmates. So that reveals the heart, and it's the passion, that God has built in them that would determine kung saan pa sila later on ba. Although that might change over time, pero kung anong meron sila ngayon, let's build on that.